Alright people, so this is take 2 on the Maxima with the full dual exhaust. As you can see, there's no Y pipe anymore. It's 2 pipes all the way to the back. 1 muffler there and 1 muffler there. It sounds pretty good. We're gonna do a little rev for you. I'm gonna show you the front, what they did. Okay. All right. Let's see what it sounds like. So this is a 2 1/4 all the way back with the DNA exhaust. My friend's gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna punch it. So if you got a Nissan Maxima 3.5, this is the cheap DNA dual exhaust. Go ahead and get it dualed out for real and pop them on, and that's what you'll sound like.